First up, we have AlphaCode. This AI system developed by DeepMind is capable of writing computer programs at a competitive level. In fact, AlphaCode achieved an estimated rank within the top 54% of participants in programming competitions, making it the first AI code generation system to reach a competitive level of performance. AlphaCode's success has been recognized with a cover feature on Science and the release of its dataset on GitHub for others to build upon. Next, we have DeepNash, an AI system developed by DeepMind that has mastered the board game Stratego. Using a combination of game theory and model-free deep reinforcement learning, DeepNash was able to learn the game from scratch and reach an all-time top 3 ranking among human experts on the world's largest online Stratego platform, Graven. DeepNash's ability to excel in a game of imperfect information has significant implications for building AI systems that can operate in complex, real-world situations with limited information. Continuing on, we have AlphaTensor, the AI that automates algorithm discovery. AlphaTensor is another AI system developed by DeepMind. This system is capable of discovering novel, efficient, and provably correct algorithms for tasks such as matrix multiplication. This marks the first extension of an AI system that has achieved superhuman performance on board games to mathematics and could lead to advances in tackling unsolved mathematical problems using AI. Moving on, we have Stable Diffusion, an AI-powered text-to-image model developed by Stability AI. This model allows users to create stunning art within seconds and was trained on the Lion Aesthetics dataset, a subset of Lion 5B that was filtered based on ratings of image beauty. Stable Diffusion has been tested at scale with over 10,000 beta testers creating 1.7 million images per day, and has the potential to democratize image generation for billions of people. Now before the first place, we have the honorable mentions. Galactica is a large language model developed by Meta that was designed to assist scientists. Was promoted as a tool that could summarize academic papers, solve math problems, generate wiki articles, write scientific code, annotate molecules and proteins, and more. However, Galactica faced intense criticism and was taken down by Meta after just 3 days due to its inability to distinguish truth from fiction and its tendency to reproduce prejudice and assert false information as facts. Scientists and researchers voiced concern about the dangers of using such a tool and called for a better understanding of the limitations of large language models.
Lambda. It's a language model for dialogue applications. And it's open domain, which means it's designed to converse on any topic.
Lambda is a large language model, yes, again a LLM for dialogue applications developed by Google. It has been claimed by Google engineer Blake Lemoine that the model exhibits signs of sentience, although these claims have been dismissed by Google. Lambda is part of a larger trend of large language models, which use artificial intelligence to mimic speech by ingesting large amounts of text from the internet. Some experts have raised concerns about the potential for these models to exhibit biased or discriminatory language, and have called for increased transparency in the development of this technology. Next up, in first place, the most incredible artificial intelligence of 2022. This AI has put to thinking many people if they could lose his job in a short time. The first AI of 2022 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a leading artificial intelligence AI system in 2022, known for its ability to hold natural, conversational exchanges with humans. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is trained using reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, and fine-tuned from a model in the GPT 3.5 series. This allows it to run on an Azure AI supercomputing infrastructure and interact with users in a way that feels almost human-like. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to answer follow-up questions, admit mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. This makes it stand out from other chatbots that may simply provide pre-programmed responses without taking into account the context of the conversation. While ChatGPT is a powerful AI system, it does have some limitations. It may sometimes provide incorrect or nonsensical answers and can be sensitive to changes in input phrasing. It also lacks the ability to ask clarifying questions, instead relying on its programming to make assumptions about what the user intends to communicate. Additionally, ChatGPT may exhibit biased behavior or respond to harmful instructions, making it important for users to be aware of these limitations and use caution when interacting with the system. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT remains a leading AI system in 2022, widely used for a range of applications and continuing to push the boundaries of what is possible with artificial intelligence. ChatGPT remains open and free as of January 10, 2022. What is your favorite AI of 2022?